Hey, welcome to the tutorial for Kiss Me More. I'm gonna just go through it. If you miss anything, go back and rewatch it. You can actually adjust the playback speed on YouTube videos if you hit the options menu at the bottom right of the screen. It starts on a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, step left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, round 5, 6, bounce, bounce, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, TikTok, and 5 and 6 and a 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, round of 7, 8, head, shoulders, knees and toes, all of your tongue. I want it. 1, 2, reprise, 3, 4, 5, 6, round 7, 8, 1, shoulders, knees and toes, all of that. I want it. Yeah, and that is all of Kiss Me More.